All right, today we're gonna learn how to paint this tornado threatening this house.
The question of the day is, what is considered the largest tornado ever?
All right, let's run through the colors. Quin red, pearly red, phthalo blue, quin blue, phthalo green, burnt umber, Van Dyke brown, primary yellow, Indian yellow, Mars black, titanium white. All right, today we're going to work on a tornado. It's going to have this S curve in it, which is a nice compositional tactic. I dropped the horizon down a little bit low, like the ratio, golden ratio is up here, but I'm dropping it down lower. We want to focus more on the sky, so we're going to dramatize it. There's a nice house in here. They have two in here, but I think I'm just going to simplify to one. No reason to have two houses. I think one just looks better, so that's what we're going to do. For this one, I think we need to give more definition to the ground here. It's very dark here, but yeah, it's just kind of, it doesn't say much. It's okay because you want some neutral ground, especially in contrast to the windstorm itself. I think this photo is, I don't know if it's made up, but it just kind of looks weird. It looks like a composite because the way it joins the sky doesn't make any sense. I think it's okay for mine. It's interesting because I kind of have this turquoise clouds, which you don't really expect. You really expect kind of a clean blue, sky blue, but it's actually kind of a turquoise feel, so it has a nice contrast to the lower layers. The lower layers here are gray. I have them light, so maybe I'll add a little bit of gray to kind of pull this together a little bit and finish up.
So the largest tornado ever is called El Reno. It started and then it originally spread to a width of 2.6 miles. So the whole thing was spinning at 2.6 miles circumference, and it lasted 40 minutes. It got up to winds of 301 miles per hour. For some reason, it's only considered EF3. I'm not sure why, maybe because of the width, so maybe it wasn't as destructive, but I think it was highly destructive. So I'm not sure on the rating system or the weather system, but this was considered the world's largest tornado, 301 miles per hour.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So it has this really nice swirling cloud, very angry. A little bit of light. I like the clouds in the background pretty much. Got some of the kind of tearing up the landscape below. I just kind of did some really rough marks, and I added that kind of road, which wasn't in the photo, but I thought it made more sense to kind of drive that attention right to the tornado, which, you know, just looks better. And I added that little yellow dash, which is a little heavy at the bottom, but I didn't feel like kind of correcting, screwing around with the gray back and forth. So I just left that. It does have that nice focal point. It pulls you right into the tornado. And at the same point, you have this counterpoint with a little house. Like, is the house going to be hit by the tornado or not? We'll see what happens to Dorothy. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.